Muammar Gaddafi, hero or zero? Welcome to another engaging video, where we explore the lives of influential figures who have shaped our world. Today, we delve into the enigmatic life of Muammar Gaddafi, Libya's most controversial leader. Join us as we uncover the facts about his reign. Was he a hero or merely a zero? Muammar Gaddafi came to power in 1969, leading a revolutionary coup that ousted King Idris. Known for his charismatic leadership, he positioned himself as a champion against colonialism and a promoter of pan-Arabism. Gaddafi quickly transformed Libya with ambitions of unity across the African continent and beyond. Under his rule, Libya saw tremendous growth from its oil wealth. Gaddafi implemented sweeping economic reforms, nationalizing oil companies and using the profits to invest in infrastructure, education, and health, earning him praise for improving the welfare of his citizens. But were these advancements worth the heavy reliance on oil? Gaddafi was notorious for his unconventional political ideologies, encapsulated in his Green Book. He rejected democracy and instead proposed a system of direct people's representation. Yet, this system led to power concentration, igniting debates over authoritarianism versus revolutionary ideals. Internationally, Gaddafi's actions were divisive. He bolstered a reputation through financial support to liberation movements worldwide, but also garnered criticism for alleged involvement in terrorism and strained relations with Western countries. Was he truly a liberator, or did his confrontational stance undermine Libya's prospects?